Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an old Ford Mustang. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental structure using simple geometric forms. Think of a long, low rectangle for the main body and a slightly smaller, squarer shape for the passenger compartment. These initial lines are just guides, so keep them very light. Next, we'll mark out the positions for the wheels and establish the car's stance, ensuring it sits correctly on the page. This foundational step is crucial for capturing the Mustang's iconic profile. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the recognizable silhouette of a classic Mustang. Gently connect your guide rectangles with smooth, confident lines, paying attention to the car's powerful curves. Emphasize the long hood and the short, muscular rear deck, which are hallmarks of its design. Don't forget to lightly sketch in the famous side scoop and the bold front grille, giving the car its aggressive face. These details start bringing the drawing to life, so take your time. With the body taking shape, it's time to focus on the smaller yet crucial elements. Carefully draw the wheels, ensuring they are perfectly circular and proportionate to the car's size. You can then add details like classic hubcaps or a 5-spoke wheel design. Next, define the windows, paying attention to their angles and reflections. Finally, sketch in the distinctive round headlights, the triple bar taillights, and the chrome bumpers, which truly complete the vintage Mustang look. Precision here makes a big difference. For our final slide, we'll bring everything together. Carefully erase any remaining construction lines, leaving only your clean, confident outlines. Now, it's time to add depth and realism through shading. Think about where light would hit the car and where shadows would fall, especially under the bumpers and along the body panels. Use varying pressure to create smooth transitions and highlight the Mustang's muscular form. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. A well-shaded drawing truly makes the car pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.